Alright, you guys. So, every time I turn on the camera, I'm doing a whole bunch of shit, right? So, I am packaging up my new bottles to take them to the hair supply store. So, I told y'all my hair oils are located in the hair store out here. It's one store. He requested some more. I would have gave him 6. Hold up. I would have gave him 6. I'm only giving him 5 today because I ordered some oils, but I ordered some oil bottles, but I ordered the wrong size bottles, y'all. Who does that, right? So I got them stacked away into here, and I'll go ahead and take him this. And also, I have to give him an invoice. So fill out this invoice and take it in store. I'm gonna see how much footage I can get of that because I am doing business transaction. But yeah, I'll be right back. You guys, I said let me touch in. So if you're watching this, you probably see me do the makeup look and everything. I'm trying to get back into vlogging and getting everything going with my sleeves. So right now, I just finished doing some crochet. On a client. It's a Monday night. Like I said, I got so much to update you guys on, so that has to be a whole video in itself. But I usually don't work on Mondays, but I caught a client, so I decided to come in and do her hair, and I'll put pictures of the crochet. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the makeup look, and this is just a little day at the shop with me. And yeah, so I have another update video coming for y'all soon, so stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
We went through this before, acting like the elves can't bag them no more. Nightgown dragging on the heated marble floor. Flash Cartier when you open up the door. Slide these on, baby. So butter, still relate to the gutter. Just your lifestyle's different, spirit uplifted. Fell in love with a cat who's gifted. Journey back to paradise, damn, I missed it. Pop a bottle, light a purple candle. I got something that you can't quite handle. That's why you love me. Pour bubbly, glow from the flame, make your skin shine lovely. I'm saying, baby, touch it, why don't ya? 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 Hey girl, oh girl, hey girl, I wanna rock your world. Paradise is very nice. Yeah.
Next phase is this. Black sand, Tahiti, 10 days to reminisce. God's my witness. I paid the price for paradise, so I'm living this. I never limit myself.